Jeff Keen here. I just installed this really nice Chamberlain smart garage door opener. Now this has the MyQ system built in, but I also have an ADT pulse system that needs to use a Z-Wave controller. So I have this linear controller up here installed that worked with my old garage door opener, but the old opener wasn't as smart. The wall switch wires, you just touch them together and it basically opens and closes. Now Chamberlain got a little tricky, and now their signal's digital, so you can't just control it by shorting.
So in order to get this to work, I took apart one of the extra Chamberlain remotes, and I found the switch for the door, and then I soldered the wires from the Z-Wave controller to that. I'm a soldering pro, but I have this really nice lithium cordless Revenant soldering iron that I use for all the small electronics. Then I used this hot melt gun to glue the remote to the ceiling, and then I secured the wires with wire ties.
I used the hot melt to put strain relief around the wires, and then I also glued it to the ceiling. Alexa, close the garage door.
Hang on.
There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Wi-Fi, tech products, and garage door openers.